Welcome. In front of me I have Huawei MateBook D15 and I will show you how you can change display resolution and display orientation. So the first we have to go for the settings. Next we have to go for the system. Right now when you are here in the display options we have to scroll down a little bit and here we'll find at the first the display resolution. So there we got the recommended resolution, but we can change for example for maybe for this one. We can keep change or revert. So as you can see, that's very simple. I'm going to stay with the recommended resolution, but for example if you plug here external monitor you can change it like you want. And here we can also change the display orientation. So currently we are on the landscape, but we can go for the portrait. Of course I'm not want to stay with this setting, so I'm going to turn it off. Okay, and here we can also pick the landscape flipped or portrait flipped. I'm going to revert, I don't want to stay with this one. But yeah, that's how you can make it. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.